I think both the girls are trying to utilize their time well. Somewhere I feel Akansha is trying to do too much. I mean, pumpkin puree, green pea puree, pumpkin chips, marinated chicken, red wine reduction. Sounds like a lot to achieve, isn't it?
I mean, 3 sauces. Puree 1, puree 2, and a reduction. That's too much sauce on a plate. I hope that she doesn't make like a murder scene out of it.
I think Megha, on the other hand, is a lot more calm. She's doing what she knows, and she's obviously cooking chicken, which is, again, in a creamy sauce, what she did previously.
Right.
And she also wanted to do a creamy potato. So I'm a little worried about too much creaminess on the plate, not enough, you know, contrast or not enough freshness.
I hope she creates some contrast somewhere. Otherwise, the dish is going to fall flat on its face.
Well, I'm hungry. So I hope that we have something really delicious to taste.
Yeah, not much time left, sir. Akanksha and Megha, plates on the counter, last 10 minutes to go. Focus on what you have achieved. Do not try and start cooking now. Do not try and overachieve, all right? 10 minutes to go. Make the best of what you have done so far.
Plates should be clean, food should be hot. We will be there soon to taste your food.
You girls are doing well so far. Just change the gear now. Last 10 minutes, let's go.
Ladies, your last 1 minute. Make sure you've got every element on it. This is when thoughts become things.
Megha, Akanksha, I can see food on your plates. Megha, I can see that you're ready and smiling. Akanksha, last 10 seconds. Keep calm and carry on, but only 10 seconds left. Let's see you smile and finish the plate in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hands off.
Beautiful. Time for tasting. Ladies, let's see what you got. Time for tasting. Please bring your dishes. Akanksha, what have you made?
Chef, I have made a cumin ginger chicken with pea puree and pumpkin mash and a hung curd dip on top.
Cumin ginger chicken, pumpkin mash, pea puree, hunker dip on top. Got that. Megha.
I've made coriander, garlic and ginger chicken with polenta in black and white sesame seeds. And on the side, I have a bit of potato in cumin.
The presentation for both of them looks very good. You know, same ingredients, 2 different thought processes, 2 different plates. Let's dig in.
Megha, lovely dish with a nice melange of flavors, most popping out. The chutney almost sort of tasting potatoes. And I especially like the punch of flavors in your chicken, you know, that lots of ginger running through. You know, the mixed seeds that you've put on your polenta. But to me, there is one thing that I'm really missing in your dish. But I will tell you later.
Your plate looks great. You've got the chicken, which is nice and creamy, well spiced, and the contrasting, which is the polenta. I love the idea that you've put some sesame seeds, and I love the crispiness on it. I think that's adding a texture a bit. But all in all, I do feel there are some flavors that might be clashing.
Clean thought process, clean mind reflects on the plate. The hero, the chicken, has been well cooked, well represented, well respected. And that's a big, big plus. In terms of the accompaniments, there's the soft potato, there's the soft polenta, and there are, some nice slow-cooked onions which are nice and soft and slightly juicy. There is crunch from the flax seeds and the sesame seeds, but there's nothing snapping in my mouth. Sometimes that snap represents a good break of textures. Seeds grind, they don't snap. That's one texture that I would have loved to have on this dish. But otherwise, great effort in terms of representing the joyful roots of where you come from. The creamy chicken from South Africa, the chutney potatoes from Gujarat, Great use of sesame, again, very, very Gujarat. So overall, it's you on this plate, and that's what I love about it.
Beautiful looking plate.
Thank you.
I love the contrast of colors that you've given. I quite enjoyed eating it. The pea puree, for me, I was expecting something green, bright green in color. I didn't realize that you went through a yogurt with it. Nonetheless, it's tasting really nice. Overall, enjoyed your dish.
Akanksha, really proud of the fact that you've done a gourmet dish. The plating does look like it's coming out of a restaurant. Couple of things amiss, something that you can work on. Missing that crunchiness, missing the bite, and missing that contrast in texture. Maybe a puree repeated too many times.
Akanksha, if you would have left this chicken to cook for 2 more minutes, it would have been overcooked. This is perfectly cooked. Proportion-wise, I felt the dish kind of went a little amiss. Too much chicken and too less to go around. 3 kinds of sauces with the chicken. Technically, all the purees are, nice creamy sauces. Very well executed purees, but substantial enough as a main course? I don't know. Too big for an appetizer, not too substantial for a main course. But again, the chicken tastes so good. Thank you.
Thank you, Akanksha.
Akanksha, Megha. One of you is going to be coasting, and one of you is going to fall from the frying pan into the fire. But let me tell you, this one is going to be a photo finish. All right, to find out who's the winner, you'll have to wait till tomorrow. Well cooked.
Thank you, Chef.